So let's have a look at those big pickles I got right here. See my hand? This is a biggie one. And we got others around, all around. Look at this one here. Not bad. There's a big one around here too. This is fun. So I'm gonna need like big jars for those ones. Next step, we're gonna pick them. So here we have all kinds of different sizes of pickles here, as you can see. These one will be the more common sizes here, right here. These ones are bigger. They could be like Polish style pickles here. And here we have our friend Chips, the squirrel who just came by. Now let's see the next step for preparing pickles. So after picking all those pickles here, I washed them, of course, but you see those little stingers on that can hurt the fingers here. We're going to use like a dry cloth and just rub them a little bit there, like this here, so it shouldn't hurt after. Just do that. You usually have them on the small ones. You don't really have them on the big ones right here. So now we're going to put all the pickles in salt. So kind of use this kind of big salt here. So I'm going to put all the big ones first here on one side. This. And smaller ones here. Put them in here. Yeah, so I'm doing the pickles the French way. Not going to be like sweet. And I'm going to add on the top some salt, like this here. And then you can rub them in here in the salt. The important thing is that they have a lot of salt around on them there. So you can add some more. Rub them in here. And you can add some more. Just like that. So after leaving the pickles in the salt for a little bit more than 2 hours, I rinsed them in the water. And now we're going to add some white vinegar here. I'm going to pour right in here. I'm going to add also some water. And then we're going to boil it. Okay, so the vinegar is ready now, so we can start putting some pepper in the pot here. Give some taste. Right there can be really generous. Put some more on the top. We'll start putting like a big pickle inside there, like that. We can put some garlic. So I know you can put some little onions in there, but just adding like 3 garlics in. Now you're going to start to fill in some more pickles. I'm going to put in there. Put little ones. Little ones here are crunchier. Put another big one here. Here we go. All the small ones right in there. Don't worry, we're going to add the vinegar after. There. We're going to add some tarragon there. Nice, right there. Now, I'm going to pour right in here, so the vinegar with water. There, I think that's good. And we can also add a little bit of salt, sugar, sorry. We can add a little bit of sugar right in here, just to give you a little bit of taste. I need to put more there. Now we're going to close it up. Right here. And normally what we should do is turn it around like this here, just for one day. And we're all good. So after the pickles here, yeah, you can see it right there, like that. So the pickles after will be ready to eat within 2 weeks or a month, I'd say. So give it like 2 weeks or 4 weeks right here. And it should be yummy.